Welcome, this is the second Mishnah and the third parak of Maschet Berakhot. Let's go. This Mishnah is continue of the last Mishnah. We're talking about people that are busy and doing one mitzvah, they're disobligated from a different mitzvah. So we're talking about people that unfortunately lost one of their family members. Kavu et hamet v'chazru. They're coming back from the funeral. אם יכולים להתחיל ולגמור עד שלא יגיעו לשורה, יתחילו, ואם לאו, לא יתחילו. So they used to do two lines, and the mourning family used to go between. So all the people that comes to lenachem those avelim, if they can say Shema Yisrael before they stand on the line, so they should say Shema Yisrael. But if they can't get there before that, so they're disobligated of saying Shema Yisrael. עומדים בשורה, הפנימיים פטורים, החיצוניים חייבים. So they used to do like, and the lines, there used to be like a few rows. So the front row, they are pturim, they disobligated from Kriyat Shema, because the mourning family see them. But the other rows, the back rows, obligated saying Kriyat Shema, because the mourning family can't see them. So thank you for watching and have a good one.